How to make a chocolate ball. Oki is in front of Sasha's house right now. It has been quite long since they have contacted each other. Oki knocks at the door. Yeah, just a moment please, Sasha said. Sasha opens the door. Hi, Sasha. How are you? Greeted Oki. Oh, hi Oki, where have you been? I'm fine, thanks. Come on in, reply Sasha. Thanks Sass, I've been so busy lately. I am taking many courses before my final exams. By the way, it's been so long since I ate your delicious food. So, what do you think if we try one of your fantastic recipes today? I see. Well, since you're my best pal, I don't mind. So, what snack do you prefer? Okay, then, what about a chocolate ball? I like them very much. Yes, sure, why not? My mom and I just made some yesterday, so I still have the ingredients. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. First of all, you should prepare a can of chocolate milk, 3 packs of milk biscuits, 1 pack of colorful chocolate sprinkles, and toothpicks just for accessories. Yup. What if we use solid chocolate instead of chocolate milk? No, we can't use solid chocolate. It tastes bitter. Oh, okay, let's continue. Now, smash the biscuit until it seems like a powder. Then, stir it. Next, add the chocolate milk and at the same time stir it thoroughly, until the mixture becomes hard. What about if the mixture is runny? What will happen? Well, make sure it's not too runny. It should be somewhere in between hard and mild. So, it will be easy to form balls with. Okay, then, after that, we can start to form it like balls, just like this. Finally, roll the ball into colorful chocolate sprinkles. Place it in the small cookie paper, stick in the toothpicks for handles. It's finished. Wow, that's easy. I thought it was complicated. Thanks a lot. Shall we eat now? Yeah, as easy as that. Let's eat.